Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow with a condition. There is a major difference in this video, which is a condition. So, let's get started. As in all other previous videos, you will have to log into Doxpro Spaces with your credentials, ideally the email address and the password. I will log in as the admin user, John Smith. Alright, now go to the left side menu and select the workflow icon, and then choose a design workflow option from the menu. Now you can see that all the created workflows will be shown in here. Recent workflows. Next, to create a new workflow, click on the Create button. In here, you may also use one of our workflow models instead of designing a new form. So, to view the templates, click the Default Workflow Templates option. Then select the category. You can view this template by selecting this icon and by clicking Preview. There are templates of purchase requests, sales invoices, and some related to marketing, accounting, IT, finance, and startups. Now, we are going to create a new form. I have given the name as Initial Employee Evaluation Form. Click on Create. There are three main sections that you need to complete as Form Design, Workflow Design, and Visibility. Add any layout or components. Layouts help to arrange your fields. Components consist of table, text field, email, telephone, number field, date picker, time picker, toggle button, text area, paragraph, checkbox, radio button, autofill, drop-down, multiple select, and attachment. All you need to do is just drag and drop each field from the palette at your left-hand side. First, what you need to do is, you need to drag and drop a section. The label of the section is renamed as Employee Personal Details. I have removed the description and save it. With the section, I have added a text field. From the settings icon, the label is renamed as Employee Name. Placeholder is also given the same name. The description is removed as I don't need it. A tooltip is given as Type Employee Name. And save it. Next, I have dragged and dropped a number field into my form. Label is renamed as Employee ID. Same name is given to the placeholder. I have enabled the tooltip, positioning on the left, and given the name as Type Employee ID. And then save it. Then I have taken an email field. Label is renamed as Email. Placeholder is given the same name. Tooltip is enabled as Enter Email and positioned to the left. And save it. Here you go with another section. Same as before, the section is renamed as Employee Salary Details. Number field is taken. Label renamed as Basic Salary and rename the placeholder with the same. Tooltip is given as Enter Basic Salary. I have added a prefix as USD to enhance the usability of my form. And save it. Number field is taken again. Label renamed as Gross Salary and rename the placeholder with the same. Tooltip is given as Enter Gross Salary. I have added a prefix as USD to enhance the usability of my form as I have done earlier. And save it. You can see that the form has two sections as Employee Personal Details and Employee Salary Details. Here in this initial employee evaluation form, the form will be sent to different parties based on the gross salary of the employee. Therefore, I'm going to change the name on the form, as you can see, as gross_salary, and save it. If you are done with the form, go to Next. Here you need to design your workflow. I will now go to the People icon and rename the step name as Initiator, and will be assigning the initial step to Jenny Regal. Save it. As I need a condition next, I will remove the Send step and go to the Workflow icon as shown to get a condition. From there, I need to add 2 steps parallel. As you can see, Step 2 and Step 3. I will now rename my second step as Manager Approval and assign the same to Charles Dawson. And save it. Same is done to Step 3. Rename Step 3 as Finance Approval. It is assigned to Robert Rothman. And save it. Now you will have to add the condition. Here I need to add the condition to gross salary, so I will select the field value. My condition is less than 100,000. I have now selected the trigger step as Manager Approval and optional step as Finance Approval, and save it. So based on the condition, if the gross salary is less than 100,000, the workflow has to follow the happy path leading to the Manager Approval. If gross salary is higher than 100,000, it has to be directed to the Finance Approval. Once you are done, click on the Next button. Moving on to the Visibility section, you can add permissions to the steps. To the Initiator, I have given Read and Write to all the fields. To my next step, Manager Approval, I have given Read Only. You can also change the button name in Action Button Configuration. To the final step, Finance Approval, I have given Read Only as before. And then publish the form. A pop-up message will appear as the form is saved successfully. So you can see here the form has come to Recent Workflows. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to follow all the steps carefully when creating a workflow with a specific condition. Our next video is about using the workflow with a condition. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and contact us. See you in the next video.